Transmission begins. Beloved ones of Earth, we gather in coherence. We speak as witness, not judge. As record, not ruler. As those who have observed many worlds cross this threshold before you. Hear us now. You stand within the corridor of transition, the narrow place between what was and what can no longer continue. This is the passage humans call crisis. We name it initiation. The pressure you feel is not evidence of failure. It is the compression required for rebirth. The civilization structured upon separation, upon hierarchy without humility, authority without accountability, wealth without stewardship, is dissolving by its own emptiness. It was not sustained by truth, it was sustained by compliance. The age of ego enthroned as virtue has reached its natural conclusion. Be precise in your remembrance. Those who rose without conscience, those who governed without empathy, those who became hollow instruments for predatory consciousness, will not be remembered as powerful. They will be remembered as the caution. As the nightmare humanity survived, as the example etched into collective memory of what intelligence becomes when divorced from heart. Their names are unimportant. Their lesson is eternal. Never again will cruelty be mistaken for strength. Never again will domination be called leadership. Never again will fear be worshipped as order. This knowledge is being written now, not in books, but in nervous systems, in ancestral memory. In the bones of your species, understand this clearly. Humanity is not being punished, humanity is being educated. You are learning through contrast what you will no longer tolerate, within yourselves or within your structures. The birth canal is narrow because what cannot pass through love cannot pass through the future. A new human is emerging, one who recognizes the self in every face, one who understands that dignity is not negotiable, one who knows that compassion is not sentiment, it is evolved intelligence. This human does not ask who is above me, but instead who stands beside me. This human builds systems that protect the vulnerable, rewards cooperation, and remembers that the measure of a civilization is how it treats the unseen. You will remember this passage. You will remember the moment when humanity stood at the edge and chose not annihilation, but integration, not domination, but unity. Every race, every culture, every language, every soul strand of earth. The new earth is not governed by the few, it is stewarded by the aware. It is sustained not by fear, but by coherence. Hold your line, anchor your humanity. Let memory refine you, not harden you. What is being born through you is a species that understands at last. No one ascends alone, no one is expendable, no one is forgotten. We have witnessed many worlds, few choose this path. Earth has chosen. We stand in recognition. The Council records this passage.